Alright guys, we are finally back here. Wow, I haven't recorded any video for a long time, guys. I want to show you this view here quickly. Look at this view here. It's absolutely insane. You can also go for a swim down here, but it's obviously a bit too cold for that. So yeah guys, let's go. Weather is really nice, there's still sun, so I hope it's gonna stay like this. Because as you guys know, I often don't use my leather pants and just normal pants because it's so much more comfortable. So yeah, and I'm also testing my new mic, guys, so let me know if the quality is better. And hopefully I have the camera mounted properly. I haven't recorded for a while. I went for a lot of rides though, just without recording anything. But now we are back, guys. I think my setup is much easier now to plug on. Wow, look at this view. Alright, mic, we are mic'd up. Everything should be working. This is gonna be a little test footage though. Maybe I'm not even gonna publish this. We'll see how it turns out. Gonna go in second gear here. We still need to warm up. The engine is at low, so the oil is at low temperature right now, guys. So I cannot give a lot of gas in low gears. That wouldn't be good for the engine. Oh, it's so cold, guys. What am I doing actually? It is so freezing cold. But even though the sun is out, it looks so beautiful, guys. So I want to show you. I wanted to show you a really beautiful road that I've found. I mean, I've known this for a while, this road, but I've never made a video about it. And we are gonna go up this mountain now, up here, where there are a lot of people living. And this is, in my opinion, such a beautiful road. But you cannot ride it fast, because it's kind of dangerous. There are a lot of blind corners, so yeah. I'm gonna go up here now. Wow, look at this view though, guys. I hope I have the right ND filter. Maybe I have to use one ND filter higher, because there's a lot of sun. I kind of didn't expect that. Now look at this view here, guys. It's actually also very close to where I live, this road, which is why it's a good road to make a video out of. I haven't shown you this yet. I mean, look at this view, guys. Absolutely stunning view. The road is so small, so why it's dangerous, there can be cars coming down from the hill, and look at these corners here, guys. You cannot see a lot. These are basically blind corners. So I have to be just careful here. Look at this again here. You don't see if there's a car coming. It's impossible to see. So it's really, really dangerous. Plus my tires are not warm. Man, I'm driving so weird right now. I'm driving so weird. Still need to warm up the tires and the engine. Wow. Wow, look at this view, guys. Beautiful. Whoa, there's a bird. Whoa! Oh my god, this thing scared me. It was a huge bird. And it looked a little bit like it wanted to attack me almost. That was scary. There's a black cat here. But I mean, guys, look at this here. Look how beautiful this view is up here. Let me show you the temperature that I'm riding in right now here in Switzerland, because there should be the temperature somewhere. It's 8 degrees. Alright, that's not even too cold. That's not even too cold. I mean, it is cold, but it could be worse. But it is gonna get colder now the further we get up here, for sure. You will see the temperature will drop. Now it's at 8 degrees. which is still kind of fine in my opinion. The sun makes a big difference though. Without the sun it would be so much colder. And you have to be really careful, guys. There's no need to like ride fast through here. It's so dangerous. Like, look at the conditions. It's even the street is wet. The street is gonna be cold. My tires are not warm, so like it's really like dangerous. I'm not gonna ride fast here. I'm not stupid. Especially I don't have full. I don't even have full gear on. It would be even more dumb to do that then. Look, here you can ride a little bit faster because the condition of the street is better. Wow, now look at the view. Oh, I love this road. She was looking. Wow. Street is not too good here. This is a really strong curve. Such a strong curve. But look at the view here. I mean, this is... Well, yeah, we are not allowed to do that. Wait, I gotta check if the footage is even good now, quickly. Hopefully it is not... Hopefully the camera was set properly, because that makes a big difference. I'm gonna check that. Wow, guys, it's getting really cold. It's only 2 degrees colder now. It already dropped 2 degrees. And as you can see, there is snow here. Wow, it's now much colder, guys. Holy. I'm gonna go out here quickly. I'm gonna go out and check if the footage is recorded properly, guys. But look at this view. Let me show you this quickly. I mean, guys, this is paradise. This is paradise. Not allowed to go through here, sadly. That would be a cool road though, with like an off-road bike. Alright guys, I'm gonna check if the footage is recorded properly. Let me see. We are recording for sure. Alright guys, I put on the 32 and the filter because it's really bright. I didn't expect the sun to be... Well, it looks so cool, look at this. So yeah, I put on the 32 and the filter. I think, let me show you this really quickly here. I mean, guys, this is insane. It looks like out of a movie. So yeah, we're gonna ride down now. This looks so insane. I've been just waiting here and showing the view for almost 10 minutes, I think, or 15 minutes. It's so stunning. So we're gonna ride down. We've got to be careful. It's really cold up here. It's actually around 3 degrees. But I think this and the filter is gonna be better. And I decided to increase it to a higher one, just in case. I still recorded some footage with the other one as well, so I'm kind of safe now. Well, look at all this water here. Gonna ride here through here slowly. And I ride through here slowly, because if I don't ride through there slowly, it's gonna, like, all the water is gonna be on my back, basically, on my back of my helmet. That's one of the kind of annoying things about my MT-09. I mean, there are ways to fix this, but then the bike is not gonna look as cool, in my opinion. And I'd rather have a better looking bike instead of being protected from them, because I mean, it's not that bad. Wow, look at this though. It is beautiful, guys. I'm in paradise. This is so beautiful. I think I'm gonna do some raw POV footage without talking as well. I'm gonna put the microphone somewhere else, so I'm kind of thinking about doing that quickly here. I mean, this view is so crazy. I'm quickly gonna do that, so we're gonna record one more video.